You know, I've been away from the Bollywood bustlings for almost a month now. I was like, Phuket, I need a holiday. Katrina and Ranbir were hot property then, thanks to their rather painful holiday. The Dhoom 3 promotions had just begun, and I was hoping against hope that their friendship doesn't spill into the film's promotions. Turns out that my fears have come true. Amar may be a marketing genius, but even the Maverick couldn't see this coming.
Next time, if something like that is going to happen, just give me a little bit of notice and I'll make sure I wear matching clothes, that's all.
So, Katrina, don't you think that it was...
Red and white does not match. I know. I reacted honestly and I reacted from my heart, and at that time I felt angry. I felt hurt. I just felt that it was a moment and it was a private moment.
People or the media is behind you and Ranbir. Why every time they just catch you, or be it paparazzi, be it rumor, but why is it you and Ranbir?
Because everyone else is either married or single.
So are you single or...
I am single till I get married, and I'm not married. I have no plans for marriage, as I know you were asking over there.
रणबीर कपूर और करीना कपूर एक शो में पहुंचे तो उन्होंने बताया करीना ने कि आप शादी कर रही हैं, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं?
Firstly, I'd like to say that I am not getting married. I am not engaged. I think that was said as a joke. Kareena and Ranbir are cousins, so everyone knows when you go on Coffee with Karan, you're meant to pull the other person's leg.
Ranbir placed you ahead of Deepika and Priyanka in terms of acting. So do you think that statement was made by him out of jest, or is there any truth in that statement? What do you have to say?
I think Ranbir just knows what's good for him. I think that was the reason for that statement. I am not getting married. To anyone right now. In 10 years, in 20 years, in 30 years, ever, maybe. But not now.
Katrina, in the month of September, Ranbir had made a statement. He said that, Katrina is a very special person in my life and I'm ready to give my life for her. What I want to know is, do you share the same feelings for Ranbir as well?
अच्छा जवाब दीजिए भैया.
I will give my life for anyone who's in need. And who's a dear friend.
The cast of Dhoom 3 is in great need.
So can we include...
If that is what you want, I will give it to you.